Here are some general diet tips that may be helpful for you. 1. You have to eat a variety of foods to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. 2. You have to focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. 3. Limit your intake of added sugars, saturated and trans fats, and sodium. 4. Drink plenty of water throughout the day.
5. Pay attention to portion sizes and try to eat until you're comfortably full, not stuffed. 6. Consider tracking your food intake to help you stay on track with your goals. 7. Be mindful of your eating habits, such as eating when you're hungry and stopping when you're full. 8. Everyone's dietary needs are different, so consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice that can find a balanced approach that works for you and your individual needs.
The best weight loss diet is a 1. One that makes you healthy first. 2. One that lowers your risk for heart disease, cancer, and diabetes, the biggest killers of modern society, and provides nutrients to support all your organs and hormones. Weight loss happens naturally. If you focus on getting healthy, the weight loss will happen automatically, without you having to deprive yourself or constantly counting calories. You are retaining water weight, however, when you drink more, that helps you burn calories faster. I drink 3.5 liters a day. 4. Exercise. The majority of my weight loss happened with calisthenic exercises in my bedroom. Skipping, walking, and jogging for 90 minutes a day have been incredibly helpful in the latter part of my journey. 5. Drink a cup of green tea a day, or 2 on a good day. This helps to speed your metabolism and helps burn fat. 6. Sleep is super important. 7. Consistency is key. You're the one in control of your body. If you want to change, try again until you succeed. The most effective weight loss method or program. 1. Mindset. Get yourself out of the diet mindset. It's not sustainable for the long haul. 2. There is no need to restrict what you eat. You can eat anything, in moderation. 3. Water, water, water. I cannot stress to you enough how important water is. When you drink less water.
Here are the secrets to losing weight that work. 1. Dance like nobody's watching. Turn up the music and let loose with some dance moves. Not only will you burn some calories, but you'll also have a great time doing it. 2. Get creative in the kitchen. Cooking can be a fun and satisfying way to stay on track with your weight loss goals. Experiment with new recipes and ingredients, and you may be surprised at how delicious healthy eating can be.
3. Have a pet party. Grab your furry friends and have a pet party. Play fetch, go for a walk, or even try some pet yoga. You'll get some exercise and bond with your pets at the same time. 4. Find a workout buddy. Working out with a friend can make exercise more enjoyable and keep you accountable. Plus, you'll have someone to high-five when you reach your weight loss goals. 5. Laugh often. Laughter is the best medicine, and it can also help with weight loss. So, watch a funny movie, read a humorous book, or attend a comedy show. You'll feel happier, less stressed, and more motivated to reach your goals.
Of course, these tips are just the beginning. To truly succeed at weight loss, you need a comprehensive plan that takes into account your unique needs and goals. That's where our custom keto diet plan comes in. With personalized meal plans designed to help you achieve a calorie deficit while still enjoying delicious and nutritious foods, we can help you achieve the weight loss success you've been dreaming of. 7. How can I lose weight quickly? All you have to do is make healthier food choices. That is literally 80% of the journey. Try healthy food for a few months, along with workouts for 4 to 5 hours a week, and you'll start noticing the difference. Some easy tricks to lose weight. 1. Drink 2 cups of water before your meals to fill you up, so you eat less too. Add more spice to your meals to boost metabolism and lose weight. 3. Lose the salt. Sodium contributes to water retention, making you look and feel bloated. 4. Sleep well. As funny as it sounds, sleep deprivation may make you fat, and not just because you're susceptible to cases of the late-night munchies. 5. Avoid calories in a glass. Drinking a grande cafe mocha, for instance, won't make you feel satiated the way eating a bowl of pasta will. You're still more likely to want a second cup from Starbucks than another plate of pasta. So, monitor your intake of juice, soda, coffee drinks and wine. 6. Drink green tea. Green tea has many positive metabolism and weight loss effects. It helps offset excess estrogen levels in the body, which is a major fat loss hindering hormone. Drinking green tea burns about 70 additional calories in 24 hours. Those 70 calories a day add up to a total of 7.3 pounds of fat a year. Metabolism-enhancing antioxidants known as catechins are found in green tea. Eat every meal. Skipping meals will not make you lose weight faster. That strategy backfires because your body thinks food is in short supply, so it slows your metabolism to conserve energy. Over time, the result is that when you do eat, even if you consume the same foods as always, your body will be slower to use the calories as fuel, thus creating a backlog of unwanted pounds. 8. Drink more water. Drinking 64 ounces of water daily is one of the easiest ways to speed up weight loss. Your body needs water in order to efficiently metabolize stored fat. When you shortchange your supply, you're likely to slow down that process, meaning it's more difficult for you to burn calories.
Here are some general diet tips that may be helpful for you. 1. You have to eat a variety of foods to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. 2. You have to focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. 3. Limit your intake of added sugars, saturated and trans fats, and sodium. 4. Drink plenty of water throughout the day.